And Bhagavatam is telling that Shankar, Shiva, is the Shakti or power of Krishna. He's Shiv Shakti. He's not a Purusha. Shiva Tattva, Shiv Shakti, Jiva Shakti. In Vrindavan, he's here as Gopishwar, Gopi, so he can give you the right direction. And Shiva can act as he can bring you to Krishna or guide you to Krishna, like Guru Shakti. So we won't find anywhere in Upanishads or Vedas or Shrutis or Bhagavatam that Shankar is God. He is only a power, one of the energies of God. So in Vrindavan, like a Shakti, Shiva becomes Gopishwar, which means Shaktis. So in the spiritual world, Shankar is serving like the gopis. And with Ram, he's acting as Hanuman. Hanuman's energy of Ram. Shiva's expanded as Hanuman. And then here in this world, he comes as Kailashnath, Vishwanath, Amarnath, Bholanath, Shankar. He's always chanting Hari Ram, Ram Ram, Hari Hari.